Have you ever watched a dog chase a dragonfly in the pouring sun and thought, wow, my business feels exactly like this, chaotic, unpredictable, hilarious, and yet strangely beautiful? If your online fashion brand feels chaos, sometimes you are not alone. This morning, I went to the park and I saw dogs running to nowhere. They were just going around everywhere, and kids were screaming while they were chasing the butterflies. Frogs are like croaking, like they own the entire stage. There were some water droplets, like they were falling. Yesterday it rained, and so it was falling here and there from the leaves of the trees. And there I was, trying to keep the pace with my thoughts, completely overwhelmed. If a dragonfly can evade a dog, you can survive your Instagram's algorithm, right? Relatable? Your business sometimes feels just as wild as this. Sometimes the supplier is late, websites crash mid launch, ad spends eats up your budget and zero sales. Reels flop despite your perfect outfit and lighting. It's like every step you take, the dog chases your dragonfly, and somehow you're expected to stay calm. Some people walking in style, ignoring the chaos. Some trip, stumble, and curse silently. Some start running after their dragonflies, that is, the new ideas or trends or sales opportunities. But then they get distracted by another barking dog or barking dog. Does this sound familiar to you? You're not failing, you're navigating the chaos just like everyone else. Here's the secret: the women who succeed aren't the ones who avoid those chaos, they embrace it. They learn to dodge the barking dogs, catch the dragonflies, and keep moving towards their goal. Step by step, chaotic step, but moving. Even a dog chasing the dragonfly eventually gets tired and stops. Your chaos too will settle and it will keep you moving. I saw a child throwing some plastic bottles into the pond, and the funny thing is, the dragonfly goes and lands on right on it. Business is like that. Sometimes your hard work lands in the wrong place, but that doesn't mean it's wasted. The trick is to laugh, adjust, and keep chasing your dragonfly. Your first sale, your first customer, your first reel, the first viral reel. One of my students, sari brand, she launched a sari brand last year. She posted reels, tried ads, and her first 3 months were a mess. Orders went missing, some supplier emails were ignored, some technical glitches were there everywhere. Basically, it was like a dragonfly chasing the dog circus. But she didn't stop there. She kept chasing, she kept learning and adjusting. Today, her business is thriving well, and her chaos has turned into a smooth empire. Remember, chaos is temporary. Consistent action plus patience gives results. Look, If a dog can chase a dragonfly all morning without giving a gap, can't you? You can also do it. And maybe even laugh while doing it. Your mistakes, your failed posts, your messy first launches, they are all part of the journey. Every digital Mahalakshmi has a chaotic moments. If you want to stop chasing the chaos blindly and start turning it into a thriving fashion brand, come walk with me. I'll show you how to chase the right dragonflies, dodge the barking dogs, and become a true digital Mahalakshmi. If you are really serious, then join my free masterclass today. The link to it is provided in the description.